Well, in the workshops, you have like the combination of various things. It's the social interaction between the avatars and the teams on the one hand, and the interaction with the 3D space and the virtual tools on the other hand. The combination of that works extremely well.
First, we start with a motion loop exercise, which works as think about like an icebreaker. The idea is to get the people used to expressing themselves in the space and sync them so they have this feeling of togetherness, being together in as a team in VR. So after the motion loop, we move to the next step called a silent walk. So participants have given 2 minutes to wander around and think about what they want to bring as an input into the workshop.
And then it's time for the thinking session itself. So participants start to collaborate, they start sharing their thoughts, they discuss and express their ideas.
In particular, we really use it for our core, if you want, work practices, which include diagnostic readouts, the finalization of the method of the client, the design of learning journeys, and in addition, I'm proud to say we also use it for our own project management, so we have dedicated rooms for clients or projects where we return to in order to discuss how they evolve.